Good morning, sir. My name is Alex Joanand R. My registration number is URK22ME4005. This is the first experiment for the subject Basics of Data Analytics, R Programming and Tableau. Here in the first experiment we have 5 programs. For the first program we have to find whether the given number is Armstrong number or not. This is the code I have created. Let's run this code. Now to run the code, we need to press Ctrl Shift Enter. After pressing the Ctrl Shift Enter, you can see the code has run, and this is the prompt. See here, enter a number is given. We can enter any number. For example, I will enter 123 and click enter, and the output shows 123 is not an Armstrong number. And let's see another example for the same code. Enter a number. I will enter 1, 2, sorry. Here we have to enter 1, 2, 1 and I press enter. The same. This is not an Armstrong number. So let's see the third example for the same code. Now we'll enter 153. Sorry. Here 153. And now 153 is the Armstrong number. Since 153 is the Armstrong number, it is showing 153 is the Armstrong number. So what is an Armstrong number? Armstrong number is a number that is equal to the sum of its own digits, each raised to the power of the total number of digits. So let's go for the part B, second program. In the second program, here I have written the code. Here we have to check whether the given number is palindrome or not. So let us run this code by pressing Ctrl Shift Enter. Now enter a number. See, I enter a number 564 and press enter. 564 is not a palindrome number. So basically palindrome number is a number that reads the same number forward and backwards. For example, let's run the code again. So I enter a number. I will enter the number 121 here. Here we have to enter 121. Now 121 is a palindrome number because forward and backward the number gives the same results. That's why. So the part B is over. Now let us go to the part C. Here I have written the code. This code is to find the factors of the given number. So if we enter a number, this program gives us the factors of those numbers. For example, let us run this code. Ctrl Shift Enter to run the code. And here it says enter a number. So I'll enter a number 12, let's say, and press enter. Now it is giving all the factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. These are the factors of the number 12. So what is factors of number is factors are whole numbers that divide a given number exactly with no remainder. That is called the factors of a number. So let us run this code again and see with the other example. See, let us take a big number, 100 let's take, and enter. See, these are the factors of 100, which means numbers that divide the given number exactly with no remainder. 100 is divisible by 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50 and 100. Not any other numbers. That's what called factors of the number. So let us try running it again with the other example. Let us take an odd number, let's say 7. For 7, the factors are only 1 and 7. So the output comes to be 1 and 7 because there is no other factors for the 7. And this ends the program C. Let's go to the fourth program. The purpose of this code is to find or to extract first 10 English alphabet letters in lowercase and last 10 uppercase and extract letters between 22nd and 24th letters in uppercase. This is the purpose of this code. Let's try running the code. This code gives directly the output. There is no need for the user to enter the input. So here the first 10 lower. In this case, the first 10 lowers are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Here, first 10 alphabets is in the small lowercase letters. And for the next line, it says uppercase letters. From 17 to 26, that is, first 10 is lowercase and the next 10 is uppercase. Here, the next 10 is in uppercase. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And the remaining is 3 letters. So that also comes to be uppercase letter. This is for, we use lowercase letters. For uppercase we use this, and for uppercase letters we use the same. This represents 1 to 10. So first alphabet to the 10th alphabet. That is what it means. And next go for the last program in the first experiment. Here I have entered the code. The purpose of this code is to write our program from numbers from 1 to 15 with specific replacements. For multiple of 3, it prints Carnia, and for fifth, it prints University. And for 3 and 4th, it prints Carnia University. Otherwise, it simply prints the number. So here I have entered Carnia University, and here Carnia University. We have given a set of instructions in this code. Let us try running this code by pressing Ctrl Shift Enter. I have run this code and we got the output like 1, 2, Carnia, 4, Carnia University, Carnia, 7, 8, Carnia University. See, it is in order. In between, they say Carnia and Carnia Universities. So the purpose of the code is to write an R program from the number 1 to 15 with specific replacements. We can see that 1 to 15 and the specifics are replaced by the words Carnia University. So for the multiple of 3, it prints Carnia. You can see wherever there is multiples of 3, there is Carnia. Like 3, 6, 9, 12. In those places, you can see the word Carnia. And for the fifth, it prints University. And for the fifth, it prints University. 5, 10, 15. It prints University. And the special cases for the third and fifth, it prints Carnia University. Otherwise, it simply prints the number. For those, it says third and fifth, it prints Carnia University. That is the final thing. So this is the purpose of this code. So I have done all the 5 programs in the first experiment. I will go through all at once. The purpose of the first code is to check whether the given number is Armstrong or not. And this is the code for it. And for the second code, the purpose of the second code is to check whether the given number is palindrome or not. See, if we enter a number, if the number is palindrome, it gives it's a palindrome. Otherwise, it gives vice versa. And for the third program, the purpose of the third program is to find the factors of a given numbers. If we enter a number, the program gives the output as the factors. Like for example, as we have seen, Let's see other example. Let's keep 117. It gives all the factors 1, 3, 9, 13, 39, 117. Gives the all 6 factors of the number 117. This is how it works. And for the fourth code, the purpose of the fourth code is to extract first 10 English alphabet letters in lowercase and last 10 uppercase and extract the letters between 22 and 24th letters in uppercase. Here, this line represents the first 10 letters of the alphabet in lowercase. So when we run this program, it directly gives the output, the first 10 letters of the alphabet. In the uppercase, this represents the last 10 letters of the alphabet. Since we all know 26 letters in the alphabet, we take from the last 17 to 26. So it gives the last 10 letters of the alphabet. And the missing out values are 22 to 24. And it gives this output. And the purpose of the code. And for the final program, the purpose of the final program is to write the OR program from number which 1 to 15 with specific replacement. For multiples of 3, it prints Karunya, and for 5, it prints the university, and for 3 and 5, it prints Karunya University. Otherwise, it simply prints the numbers. So let's try running this code again, and as you can see, 1 to 15, it is given, and it replaces the 3, 5, and the 3 and 5. Thank you. So I have done this experiment 5 programs for my lab for the subject Basics of Data Analytics, R Programming and Tableau lab. Thank you.